in my glove.
What's up, YouTube? It's Melon Metal Anthony here with another one for you. So it's 6:30 a.m. I'm on my way to a little field fabrication job. We're just gonna add some supports to a trailer for a gutter company. New customer, but I'm just kind of banging around these little jobs this time of the year because we're slow. All right, guys, so I'm here at the project. I've got my material in the bed. Let me show you what's going on with this trailer. The floor is bowed down. So what we're gonna do is put that square tube right there. We're gonna cut it down to size and put it in between the frame rails and reinforce this. And we're gonna jack it up with the floor jack and try to take that bow out of the floor. We might not get the bow out of the floor, but we're definitely gonna be able to re-support it. And then I'm just gonna weld right into the frame straight across. So I've got the first one in, 76 and an eighth it was to cut these down. Now I'm gonna slip this, the second one in the middle, and then we have a third one to put in the back. So I got something in my eye. It's pretty typical. Fucking sun, man. Right in my shot. But I'm gonna show you guys a little something I keep on the truck just for such occasions. You need to have one of these in your truck if you're a mobile welder. This could save your eyeball and save you a $300 trip to the doctor. I don't have metal in my eye. I got sand. When I was taking my hood off, I knocked it off of the axle, went right in my eyeball. So I'll just do quick little rinse out just because I don't know what's in there. Fill it up, pull my eye open. And it's out. You know? Feels like I got something in my other eye. There's a shitload of sand stuck to the bottom of that trailer. All right, cool. So we just got one more to do. Let's get back to it. Woo! Let's see. 7. 7. Oh God. Woo! I'll tell you what, this is not the most comfortable job I've ever done, but I guess that really doesn't matter, does it? Here's one thing about working in gravel. I keep getting rocks in my gloves. Oh, there's actually another one. Oh, it's right up, it's all up in the fucking pointer finger. There's a rock in my glove. All right, let's finish it up. We got 3 more welds to make. Technically 1, but 3 more welds to make. So I'm having to do it in 3. Obviously, I'm not going to roll my wrist around a piece of square tube. But yeah, let's get it done. All right, guys, that's it. We're done. Quick $450. So we're just waiting for the owner to show up, and we're gonna give him an invoice, and then get paid. Get out of here. All right, guys. Well, if you like what you saw here today, like, subscribe, share, do the whole 9. I'm Mountain Metal Anthony. This is just a small little side job. Hopefully, I can start bringing you back onto some of those big jobs. But this time of the year, this pretty much always happens, where I'm just doing these little odds and ends here and there. All right, guys. Like, subscribe, share, do the whole 9. I'll catch you on the next video.